Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to show you guys how to view your grades in Canvas. There are two ways to view your grades. The first one is that while in the dashboard, go to the bottom of the page and select View Grades. From there, you can select which class you'd like to view your grades on. Another way to view your grades is to select the Courses tab on the left hand side and select which course you'd like to view your grades for. To do that, select the course and then select the Grades tab. While in the Grades tab, you can see all the assignments that have been graded or will be graded and sort by course here and how you'd like to arrange them over here. Your grade total is over here. To hypothetically see what a grade would have been or could have been, just select the score and type in a different value. It changes accordingly. And to reset your score, hit this back arrow. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.